Hi, my beautiful and handsome friends. I am Temilolua, but I love it when you call me Chef T or T Baby, anyone you want. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make EKURU. EKURU is plain beans pudding. Plain beans in moi moi form. I'm sure you are familiar with moi moi, right? So plain beans cooked in moi moi form, but you know that moi moi they used to add in the pepper and the vegetable oil in it. So this one is just plain beans paired with pepper sauce. That is what we call EKURU. So before we dive into this video, if you've not subscribed, please my friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscription button, the notification bell right beside the subscription button. And if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. I would love to see all your comments and your suggestion and what you feel about this video in the comment section. So let's move into the ingredients real quick. I hope you know I call my community my friends, so don't be shocked when I am repeating my friends, because my friends know that I call them my friends. Let's move into the ingredients real quick. So my friends, to make EKURU, this is our star ingredient. Beans. This is what we're going to be using for our EKURU. Without beans, there is no EKURU. We'll make use of roughly blended pepper mix. This contains scotch bonnets and fresh tomatoes. Very simple. Deboned smoked fish. I love to use smoked panla. Properly washed pomo, cow skin, onions, palm oil, crayfish, salt. This is about a teaspoon of salt. Bouillon cubes, locust beans. My friends, I kid you not, there is no EKURU without locust beans. It is very important. Hard-boiled eggs. And of course, water. So now that we've gone through the ingredients, let's get cooking. My friends, the first thing you want to do is peel your beans. And today I'm going to be showing you the easiest, fastest, simplest way to peel your beans using a blender. So grab the big cup of your blender, place it on the engine. Grab your beans. We're going to pour in the beans into the big cup. Right now, we're going to go in with water. The aim is to add in water that is twice the quantity of the beans, because you do not want to blend the beans, you just want to peel the back of the beans. So let's go in with water. So my friends, I have a lot of functions here. I'm going to be pressing the pause function about 7 times. At the 7th time, I'm sure my beans should have been properly peeled. So let's go. Right now, we have our peeled beans, so I'm going to proceed to rinse off the chaff from the beans, and I'll be right back. This is exactly what you need your beans to look like after peeling. I'm going to be blending the beans with onions, just onions. Of course, my friends, we're going to be adding in some water to blend the beans. You don't want to add in so much water, but you need just enough to blend the beans. This is exactly what you need your beans to look like after. Super lush and smooth. So my pretty and handsome friends, we're keeping it so cute and classy today. We're going to be making use of moi moi pouch to make our EKURU. You can choose to use ramekins, you can choose to use leaf. It works perfectly, but I love to use moi moi pouch so that it can be neat and it can look good. I recommend. You can get it at your superstores or the local market. Just tell them that you want to get moi moi pouch, and this is what it looks like. They have different types, but this is the type I got. So to use the pouch, all you really have to do is open the pouch up just like this. It's very easy. Just open the pouch up like this. Now we're going to scoop in the beans paste into this pouch. Hello. You see, that's why I like to use moi moi pouch. Once I'm done scooping the paste into the pouch, I'm going to rinse off the body and put it inside my pot. So my friends, this is what it should look like. I'm going to do it again and show you a closer view so that you understand it very well. I'm sure with this video that I am showing you, you should be able to make it by yourself. No mistake, no error. I want to see your recreation. So, and if you recreate my video, please tag me on either Instagram, cheftemmie, or TikTok, cheftemmie. You can even tag me on Snap, cheftemmie. Where else can you find me? On Facebook, you can find me on Facebook and tag me whenever you recreate any of my videos. Trust me, I love it when I see your recreations, and it just gives me a feeling that I am doing something very, very right. Seal it up. This is exactly what you want to have. Grab your pot. Open up your pot, of course. This water is what I'm going to be using to steam my beans. Put the beans inside the water. My friends, this is what we have. I'm going to cover this up and allow it to steam. This should steam for about 40 minutes on low heat. So my friends, now that our beans is cooking, let's proceed to make the sauce. So for the sauce, the first thing we want to do is boil the pomo. We're going to boil the pomo with bouillon cubes. That is because I want the pomo to have taste. I don't want the pomo to just be bland in the sauce. That is what our street food bookers used to do, and they will not tell you. So let's proceed to boil the pomo. Pomo goes into the pot. I'm going to add in just 1 bouillon cubes. Of course, we're going to be cooking with water. Now let's cook this for about 15 minutes. My friends, even without chewing, you know that this is very soft. The next step of action we have to do now is make our sauce. Finally, place your pot on heat. Those that have tasted the street style ekuru, those that have bought ekuru from the street, you will know that ekuru is best paired with a very good palm oil sauce. And that is exactly what we want to make today. And trust me, my friends, you need a very good quality palm oil, because the taste of the palm oil will reflect in your sauce, and you don't want palm oil to ruin the taste of your sauce, right? So let's go in with some palm oil, a good quantity of palm oil. Trust me, you need a good quantity of palm oil. Now we have 3 major star ingredients here, which are locust beans and crayfish. We are going to be sauteing the 3 ingredients in this palm oil. Just our locust beans, a lot of crayfish powder. Sauteing is basically frying your aromatics on low heat. This smells so amazing. Smoked panla fish. Let's go in with our cooked pomo, our pepper mix. My friends, we need to add in bouillon cubes to this. Remember, we did not add in salt to our beans, so we are going to add in a little bit of salt and give it a very good stir. We're going to add in our egg so that in that process the sauce can penetrate into the egg. Very tasty and perfect. Clock it. Clock that thing. This is our egg. It's been over 40 minutes and I'm pretty sure by now our beans should have been perfectly cooked. So let's check it out. Honestly, this is hot. We're just going to allow this cool down for a bit, then I'm sure by the time our sauce is ready, we're going to serve the beans alongside with the sauce. Shikina! My friends, this is how good your sauce should look. There's no way you'll be pairing this sauce with your beans that you would not enjoy it. If you've watched till this point and you've not subscribed, my friends, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell right beside the subscribe button so that you will always be the first person to get notified whenever I upload a new video on YouTube. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you consider this video helpful. And I would love to see your comments and your suggestions in the comment section. My friends, this tasted so good. The beans blended well with the sauce and it is so perfect. Until next time, see you next week.